Hi everyone, my name is Andres, and today I'll be walking you through to our WhatsApp data connector. So if you head over to app.movinglake.com and log in or create a new user, we can get started. So it's basically as easy as hitting here the add button, scrolling down to WhatsApp, and then putting there your WhatsApp business account ID. You can find this information in your business.facebook.com account. If you go to WhatsApp accounts, select the one you want, and then you can see your business account ID there. All right, so once we put in the WhatsApp business account, you can then go to credentials, which leads you to log in with Facebook. So hit that button, choose OK. Make sure you're granting access to the business account you'll be using. Keep in mind you need to create one connector per each business account you want to use, and then just hit next and done. All right, so now that's linked. So basically we've given MovingLake access to our WhatsApp account. So next, we're gonna be sending all our WhatsApp data to our Google Sheets for this demo, but you can send it to any destination we support. And so to give access MovingLake to our Google Sheets, we need to basically create a new credential. Let's call it Google Sheets demo. So now I've created this demo sheet, so we can copy the URL, paste it here, and then if you hit this docs link, it sends you to the docs, which basically tells you that you need to, so that MovingLake has access to your Google Sheet, you need to share it with this email. So if you go here and select, paste the email, make sure it's on editor and hit send, share anyway. And that's enough so that MovingLake can write to these Google Sheets and read. Awesome. So hit the checkbox, save, make sure it's selected, and now just hit the save button. Never mind the test failed. All right, so now we have a connector. So now I have my phone here, and I'm gonna send a test message saying "Hello world," and so you should see in almost real time, it starts populating these tabs and basically sends all the data from WhatsApp. So all the underscore fields are from MovingLake, which is a UID for the transaction, the connector ID, which says 39. And so if you go here and you can see it's the connector number 39, so that's fine. And so now if you go to contacts, you can see I sent it from my personal user, and then you can see the messages. So the first message, it gets repeated because of how it works. But now you can send extra messages like TUI, or I don't know, let's say, hi YouTube. And so it propagates it in almost real time to your Google Sheets. And so if you have multiple phone numbers, you can have the information here. And so how would I use this information? You can basically track your customer service KPIs through here. You can see how many messages, like what tone are your agents using to respond to the customers, what are the common questions which customers have, and so on. And so let's try, for example, also to send a message with an image. So let's see, just choose a random image and send it over. And so what will happen is here you're seeing how it populates, like it creates new columns, and then it tells you like, hey, you got an image, and the image is I think, yeah, it doesn't send any text body, but it sends an image SHA256. And so there's some way to recover that. But that way, like, are people sending images, or you can recover, I guess you can recover the image with the image ID. And so this is great for you to track what's happening on your WhatsApp channels. Hope you enjoy the demo. Let me know if you have any questions at info@movinglake.com. Have a great day.